Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Levi here again, back with another video. And today I'm with my family. We're about to head to the beach.
What's up? What's up?
What's up? So we're at 7-Eleven, as you guys can see. And yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. So, what beach are we at?
Sandbox.
What beach are we at?
Sandbox.
Say hi. It's a beautiful ocean water. Hi, boy. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Shit. So we stole my mom's car, and now we're going driving. Look, there's a rainbow. In the door.
See, I can drive this car.
I guess you were going to the store. Where are you going?
Because there's no store here.
Oh. So we don't know where we're going.
And we just came back from an island. So I can drive this car better than you.
And that's all. Whoa! That's all. I think you heard me. And we're here. Hey! Hey! Ivan! 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 What's up guys, so we just got home. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to give this video a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Stay tuned for more later on. I'm probably gonna post more videos later. Say hi.
Hi.
This is our new Christmas tree, as you guys can see. You guys have a good night, and yeah, you guys all day.